Campus, Germany. My name is Anastasia and I hope you're enjoying your visit through the German pavilion so far. For the last part of your journey, I'd like to introduce you to the future of cooking at home, together with Miele, German manufacturer of premium domestic appliances, and their revolutionary Dialog Oven. Imagine an oven that can cook the whole meal with all the ingredients at once to perfection. An oven that is up to 70% faster than any other conventional cooking methods, that cooks precisely and delivers the results that were simply not possible before. We'll showcase all of this in next 15 minutes. We'll do an experiment of cooking fish in ice in Miele Dialog Oven. To start the experiment, please help me in welcoming on stage Miele's in-house chef Francesca Busso from Italy and guest chef Roberto Segura from Peru. Big round of applause. Hi guys, how are you?
All good, very happy to be here.
I'm super happy to be here today.
I've heard you have something extraordinary for us today.
You are absolutely right. I'm going to start straight away. I want to show you something.
What do we have here?
We have a fish fillet and a box of ice.
I think we need someone from the audience to confirm that this is real ice. Your help. Could you be so kind to touch the block of ice, please, and tell us if this is real ice?
It is real ice.
And the lead?
This is real ice too, yeah.
Could you also please help Roberto to confirm the temperature of the piece of fish?
Right. So this is the current temperature, 25, when inserted here on the fish. Can you read here?
18.6.
18.6.
Yeah.
Everyone can see it on the camera. So can you confirm that it's a raw fish?
Yeah, exactly.
Thank you very much.
Thanks a lot for your help. Big round of applause, please.
So we can start to place the zucchini on the bottom of my ice box to avoid the fish to stick on the ice. And the fish fillet on top of the zucchini, like this. Perfect. So now we can close the box with the lid and I cook the fish for 7 minutes in the oven.
With the ice.
Yeah, ice will go in the oven.
Unbelievable, this.
Okay, we can start the countdown of 7 minutes now. Perfect.
Hey, Francesca, did I get it right? You intend to cook the fish inside a box of ice. The ice will not melt, but the fish will be done to perfection.
Yes, absolutely right.
But how does it work?
Well, we can describe it this way. The oven engages in a dialogue with the food while preparing it. So the dialog oven can measure and adjust the cooking process depending on what you are cooking and how far the cooking process is already advanced. It's a proper dialogue between food and oven.
What's the technology behind it?
I guess all of you know that the conventional oven cooks with heat. Our dialog oven cooks with it as well, but also with the help of electromagnetic waves. So the electromagnetic waves send energy to cook the food. And that's what's happening now in the oven to our fish fillet, because the electromagnetic waves pass through the ice to cook directly my fish without melting the ice. I have also another example for you. I can show you that inside is all done.
It's all over.
All over. So if you cook in a conventional oven, you have different gradation of color. So from outside that is a little bit brown, going inside and will be more pink. In this case, is equally done. So this is something that you can achieve with the dialog oven. So let me finish decorate.
We're just halfway through and we're down to almost 3.5 minutes before we have the result.
I do, Francesca, as a matter of fact, very nice dish, by the way. But I'm going to cook tonight something that you have never seen before, and that is the hot and cold salmon. Can you imagine a dish like that? Hot and cold at the same time, coming straight out from the oven.
20.
I have been cooking for the past 15 minutes salmon in the oven, and as you can see on the camera, one part of the salmon is covered with aluminum foil. The other side is uncovered and completely cooked as far as now. I'm going to unpack now the aluminum foil from this side, and you will see that it's completely raw.
It's so bright.
So bright because it's raw, and that is because the electromagnetic waves that the Dialog Oven uses, it doesn't produce any heat unless it's in touch with the actual ingredient. So in this case, I have a part cooked salmon and a part raw salmon. And just to put more emphasis on that, I'm going to create two small different recipes out of this. It's super easy to use, and as well, you have the option, for example, to create these buns that I cook here today without any crust. As you can see, the normal breads, they have crust and they have golden color and they're crispy outside. You can do that as well with this oven. However, you can use it as complete white and soft dough.
3, 2, 1, ready.
Let's see what happened to my box of ice. Still here.
Still there.
I'm not surprised. I told you. Let's also see what happened.
But I think we still need someone from the audience to confirm that this piece of fish is really cooked. Can please someone join us on stage? Yes, please come to us. Roberto will have a microphone for you, and we would also like to know what's your name and where you're from.
Hi, I'm Mark Anthony. I'm from the Philippines.
Do you live here or you're visiting Dubai?
Yeah, we live here, we work here.
We need your help, Mark. Could you be so kind to confirm what's the temperature inside of a piece of fish? We would regularly ask you to try, but due to the restriction, unfortunately, we can't.
Yeah, okay, sure.
How are you, Mark?
How are you?
Do you remember, I saw you were sitting since the beginning. Do you remember the initial temperature of the fish?
Yeah, around 18 degrees.
Around 20 degrees, right? So let's check now. What can you read there?
Yeah, 89.
89, 90 degrees,
Yeah.
right? So it's completely cooked, completely hot. And I'm putting on the camera now so everyone can see it.
90 degrees Celsius.
Also, please help me to confirm that the ice is still ice.
Yeah,
In cold.
okay. Yeah, it is.
Thank you very much, Mark. Have a very nice.
I have a question, why ice?
Why ice?
Yeah.
Because it's the reason why we show the electromagnetic waves, how the technology of the Dialog Oven works.
Okay, so it passed through the ice molecules.
It would not have been possible if not the Dialog Oven.
Okay.
Thank you for your help, Mark. Appreciated. A big round of
Thank you
applause,
for your
please.
help. So ready, Roberto?
Of course, Francesca.
Et voilà.
Cooking in ice.
What we see right now is the precision of the Miele Dialog Oven. We cooked the piece of fish inside of the box of ice in just 7 minutes, and fish is done to perfection. Thank you for being with us this evening, and I would also like to thank Francesca and Roberto for presenting to us this marvelous piece of technology. For more amazing experience, please visit the Miele showroom, Miele Experience Center in Dubai. Enjoy the rest of your night, and for those who'd like to see one more Dialog Oven show, we'll start just in 15 minutes.
Bye.
Bye, thank you.